So let me give you a real example of how the numbers work for a self-employed plumber earning 250 quid a day through CIS. So let's say you're working 5 days a week, 46 weeks of the year, that's 250 times 46, £57,500 in gross CIS income. Now here's where it gets interesting. A typical high street bank won't use that figure. They'll ask for your tax return, and if your accountant has done a good job, your net profit might show something like £22,000. That'll put your maximum mortgage around 100 grand. Now a specialist CIS lender will use the £57,500 figure. 4.5 times that is 258,000. Huge difference. Same person, same income, same job, just a lender who understands how subbies are paid. You want to know what you can actually borrow based on your CIS income and not your tax return? Click the link in my profile and book your fee-free mortgage discovery call.